Further up the hill, we encounter a pair of blue-gray gnatcatchers, flicking their tails near the tops of some smaller trees. Just a few steps further up the hill, we hear a Carolina wren, a bird that competes with hooded for the loudest voice in the room. Note the strong accented element that's part of every Carolina wren song that helps differentiate it from similarly structured common yellowthroat. Before we can look for the wren, it's joined by one of our biggest targets, and all thoughts of the wren fade away. It's interesting how the Carolina wren seemed to be timing its song to overlap the worm-eating song, or is it the other way around? A half hour or so later, near the dam, we find a singing chipping sparrow. Its trill can be very similar to both pine and worm-eating warbler. I put this individual's one song here as a comparison. Note that most chipping sparrow songs that approach the speed of the faster worm-eating songs have a more complicated element structure, with both high and low pitches combined. The worm-eating elements are a bit simpler. This song is accompanied by a Carolina wren again. Is this bird attracted to trills? In the background we hear yellow warbler, black-capped chickadee, American redstart, and red-bellied woodpecker. Great collection of birds here. This trill is a chipping sparrow. A little different than that worm eating, it's a more complicated quality. Black-capped chickadee, sterling warbler, redstart, yellow warbler.